Hey guys, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for another video. But first, before we get started, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you hit that button right now. I'm bringing you guys a hair tutorial brought to you by ORS Curls Unleashed. And I'm going to be using a tool I haven't used in a long time to achieve this look, which are CurlFormers. So I'm going to be using CurlFormers to achieve the super cute, voluminous Shirley Temple look. I had this in mind for a New Year's Eve look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, stay tuned. So I'm doing this style on blown out stretched hair. Stretched hair is so much easier when you're doing CurlFormers because you get a smoother result. So first I start by dividing my hair into the front and back section. Then I further divide the front section into 3 more sections. The middle section is where I'm going to be doing the design. I'm using the Curls Unleashed Curl Smoothie to moisturize my hair before adding the rubber bands. I divide the middle section into 6 small triangles and then crisscross each section like so. Now it's time to get to the back section with the CurlFormers. So I have my CurlFormer and hook. I start by applying the curl smoothie to each section, smoothing it through, then brushing it to make sure it's thoroughly detangled. Then I twist the root and place the hook. Now I can pull my hair through the CurlFormer with the hook. I was struggling at first and it took me a few tries, but once I got the hang of it, I was good to go. The curl smoothie gave me a nice soft hold with super moisturized curls. Unfortunately, while I was under the dryer, my rubber band snapped, so I had to go back in and reapply them. That did cause me to frizz up a few of the curls, but no big deal because a little frizz never hurt. I bought these cute rhinestones to add on top of each rubber band to add some dimension to the style. I went in with the curl boosting jelly around my perimeter to smooth it down, and then I used a bobby pin to secure the curls in place. A little fluffing to get everything just right, and I'm ready for any holiday party or New Year's Eve night out on town. If you use the code WINTER2018 on the website, you can get 15% off of all orders of $35 or more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.